Ever felt that sudden jolt of panic when an unexpected bill hits and you're staring down the barrel of an empty bank account? You're thinking, just a little help, just a few days early, and I'll be fine. That's where apps like Beforepay come in, promising to bridge that gap. But here's the burning question: can they actually say no? Can you get denied by Beforepay? Let's dive into the reality. Beforepay, like any financial service, isn't a magic money dispenser. They have criteria, algorithms, and risk assessments in place. So, the short answer is yes, you absolutely can be denied. Why? Well, it's not personal. It's about responsible lending. Beforepay needs to ensure you can repay the advance without landing yourself in deeper financial trouble. They're looking at a few key factors. First, your income. They need to see a stable and consistent income stream. This isn't just about the amount, it's about the regularity. Sporadic or unpredictable income might raise red flags. They want to know that payday is a reliable event for you. Next, your spending habits. They'll scrutinize your bank statements. Excessive spending, especially on things like gambling or other high-risk activities, can be a major deterrent. They're essentially assessing your ability to manage your finances responsibly. Then there's your existing financial obligations. Do you have multiple loans or credit cards? High levels of existing debt can make Beforepay nervous. They need to be confident that adding another repayment won't push you over the edge. And let's not forget your banking history. Consistent overdrafts, bounced payments, or other signs of financial instability are definite red flags. Beforepay needs to see a track record of responsible banking. Now, let's talk about the application process itself. Even if you meet the general criteria, errors in your application can lead to denial. Make sure all your information is accurate and up to date. Incomplete or incorrect details can trigger an automatic rejection. Another factor might be the amount you're requesting. Beforepay has limits, and if you're asking for more than they deem appropriate for your financial situation, you're likely to be denied. They tailor the advance to your income and spending habits, so a request that's too high might suggest you're overreaching. It's important to remember that these apps are designed to provide short-term relief, not long-term solutions. If you find yourself constantly relying on them, it might be a sign of deeper financial issues that need addressing. So, what can you do if you get denied? Don't panic. First, carefully review the reasons for the denial. Beforepay usually provides some feedback. Address any errors in your application and consider adjusting your spending habits. If the issue is your income, explore ways to increase it or find a more stable source. Ultimately, Beforepay, like any financial service, operates on risk assessment. They need to balance helping you with protecting themselves from defaults. Understanding their criteria and ensuring you meet them is crucial to avoiding denial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.